Hello besties, welcome back to the channel. Let's make these beautiful smoothies that you are seeing here with fruits from my garden. This is fresh, juicy and organic. It can't get better than this, guys. And I'm also delighted to introduce you to the new blender that we got. You can find the video where we unboxed this blender on the channel. Go watch it if you haven't and see if it's something that you need for your kitchen. Now follow us to the garden. First off, we started by harvesting the strawberries. You see here is a little bit sandy, but we are going to rinse it before we leave the garden. And then we also harvested the raspberries. This takes time to pick it, but it is worth it. So we picked a handful of the raspberries. Because the strawberries had a lot of sand, we had to rinse it a little bit by the garden. Then when we got back, we are rinsing now everything together still at the balcony. So we are making this smoothie outside today. So it's quite fun, fresh air and everything that you can think of. So we are rinsing now this both fruits together. If you are getting some value from this video, guys, please do not forget to subscribe. Give it a little shake, not too much because the raspberries are very soft. And then look at that blender. Oh my god, we can do literally anything for this. So go right ahead and then you just cut the edges of the strawberries so as to get the green parts out. Add also the raspberries. If you want to make it in one go, of course you can force everything here because when it starts to blend it gets smaller. And then I added 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt or Greekish yogurt. I added also 5 cubes of ice. Just look at that, guys. This is already looking so delicious. Then again with the new blender that we got. This is the first time we are using this blender and we are really looking forward to seeing how it's going to turn out. The best part of this blender is that it has 2 parts. This smoothie part that you can blend something of smaller quantity very fast. This is what we are using today for our smoothie. Look at that. So it's just with the press of a button and then, oh my god, just look at that, guys. Isn't this wonderful? Look, oh, yum, 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 yum. Oh my god, now I can't resist this. Just give it a taste. This is all natural. If you are making it for kids, trust me, they wouldn't want to drink it like that. So if you are still going natural, you may want to add some honey or anything to give it more taste. Just look at that. So, and then if you want to spice it up to make it looks more presentable, I just turn it in a glass and then again slice of strawberries and then in with some mint. Again, this mint is from the garden, so everything here today is natural, organic. So what do you think about this smoothie, guys? And I forgot to mention I made just 1 cup in the previous one, but then because everyone wanted to have, I had to make 1 more cup, which I made it off camera. This is how it turned out. I just put it in small glasses so everyone will have a taste of it. And then of course there were still some strawberries left, which you see here. So what do you think about this video? I thank you for sticking around, and if you watched up to the end, big hugs to you, and we'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.